When you first enter a project, you'll see a list of detailed information as well as the team members that are invited to this particular project. At the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see a synchronization button as well as a delete project button. If you want to delete all of the contents and files that you've downloaded on the project, you can easily just press the trash can icon. At the lower toolbar, let's go to the second icon, which is going to bring us to the folder structure. Now let's navigate the two icons that appear on this page. At the upper right hand corner, we can actually control or filter the different types of files that we want to be able to see in the folders. If we're specifically just looking for models, we can then filter the folders to only show model file formats. So now if I go in the drawings folder, notice that it's empty. If I go back up to the models folder, we can see that these model files can be viewed. Let's change the filter back to all documents. If I then go into the drawings folder, we can now see all of the drawings as well as models. The synchronize icon basically just makes sure that we have the latest folder structures and files that are on the cloud here locally listed on our mobile device. Now let's go ahead and download and review a 2D drawing. We'll go to the drawings folder and we can see a series of PDF drawings. Let's select the B3 Beam PDF. Now notice the toolbar at the bottom of the screen has changed. At the lower left, we're going to go ahead and download the drawing. Now the drawing is available for us to review offline. We can then also view the drawing. When we press the eyeball or green view icon, we're then prompted to select which application that's installed on our iPad to view this drawing. I'm just going to use Quick Look. Now I can easily navigate around and review this particular shop drawing. Once I'm done, I'll then just go back by pressing the upper left-hand corner training button, which brings me back to this training folder. And then I can continue to repeat this process with other drawings. So I can download the drawing and then I can view it. If I try to select a drawing here, like our multiple drawings at one time, you can see that multiple files are being highlighted. Notice that the view icon goes away, so we can only view one file at a time. So there's a deselect all option at the lower, just above the lower toolbar. We'll go ahead and press that, and then it will clear the selection. We can also see which files in the list are downloaded locally versus still only on the cloud by looking at the cloud icon versus green checkbox icon towards the right-hand side of the list. Let's select another drawing that hasn't been downloaded. When we try to press the view icon before downloading, it's going to prompt us to download. Once that file has been downloaded, we can then view that drawing. If we'd like to delete this file from our iPad, we can simply press the trash can icon. This doesn't delete the file from the cloud, it simply deletes it here from being on our local iPad. We can also attach a file to a to-do. We'll select the file and press the Attach to To-Do button. We can either attach to a newly created to-do or an existing to-do that we've already created. Let's press New, and then when we scroll down, we can see here that this is now an attachment to this to-do.